Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best cordless air dusters for a spotless clean. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Violent Mini Turbo Jet Fan Brushless Motor 110000 RPM Cordless Air Blower. Unleash powerful airflow with this mini turbo jet fan boasting a brushless motor reaching 110,000 RPM. Cordless and compact, it's perfect for high-speed tasks like hair drying and camping, ensuring a versatile and efficient experience. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Cordless Air Duster Blower Multi-Use Portable Compressed Air Cans. This cordless air blower serves as a versatile solution for cleaning electronics. Acting like a portable compressed air can, it's ideal for PC, laptop, keyboard, and RDA cleaning, providing a convenient and efficient way to maintain your devices. At number 3. DDRADON 8000 Pascals Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner Air Duster. Experience the dual functionality of this wireless car vacuum cleaner and air duster. With 8000 Pascals suction power, it efficiently cleans your car and home while also serving as a cordless handheld air duster for precise cleaning tasks. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Cordless Air Duster Large Capacity Electric Keyboard Cleaner. Say goodbye to traditional compressed air cans with this cordless air duster. Boasting a large 15,000 mAh rechargeable capacity, it's a portable and electric solution for keeping keyboards and electronics dust-free. Recharge, reuse, and maintain a clean environment effortlessly. At number 1. Electric Air Blower for Computer Cleaner. Cordless Air Duster. Revolutionize your PC cleaning routine with this electric air blower. A cordless alternative to compressed air cans, it provides handy dust removal for PC keyboards and components. Upgrade to a more sustainable and efficient solution for maintaining a dust-free computer environment.